Guys, it's Sunday today and it's the second last day. Tomorrow we'll be leaving. So for today we had a breakfast in the morning at the hotel itself, and we have quite an ambitious plan. We have prior reservations to go to Art in Paradise, which is very close from here, just walking distance, about 3 to 4 minutes. After that we'll go to Ripley's, believe it or not. We went there yesterday, but due to scarcity of time and tickets, we booked it for today itself, yesterday. So we'll be going there, and then we plan to go to the Coral Island. We're not planning on doing any water activities today, but the island itself is very beautiful, so we want to go to the beach and enjoy there for a couple of hours or so. So ferry goes, I think, till 3:30 will be our target. I think it is 11:55 at this point. So we'll be rush, and probably in 3 hours we'll finish 2 of the activities. So let's go. And this is a street, looks very vibrant during night, but yeah, not bad at this point either. Okay, so we have reached 2 minutes from our hotel. Perks of living in the center area. So we have pre-booked tickets. Let's get and cash it, and then we can go. We have got our tickets. The ticket, if you book directly from here, it's 400 baht per person. We booked online, so it was almost 50% off, around 210 baht per person that we paid. In INR I paid, I think, 500 rupees, so pretty good deal, 50% discount. So I would suggest, if you come here, book ticket 24 hours in advance, and then enjoy the discounts. Let's go and explore. How? I'll tell you why. Oh, same with that photo as well. Wonderful. is the AR point where you need to stand and scan. Wonderful. Got this. But I am nowhere to be found. Okay. Do you see your image? Turns out this was not a glass. Wonderful illusion. Completed our tour for 500 INR that we paid. The experience was amazing, though the price is 400. So what happens when you close here? You come here and they have these, pictures and everything they have taken. They give you for 199 baht. So one of them they took of us. Not the most sharpest photo, but looks very good, as a souvenir. We are taking this photo. And overall experience, I would suggest get tickets online a day earlier for just 500 for 2 people, and that would be so much better than paying 400 baht per person when you reach there. And for that amount, I would say you can easily have probably 1 to 2 hours easily you can spend here. And if your children, be sure they are going to love it. So if you are here and you have time, please do come here, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. And if there are children, absolutely love this place. Okay. We are done with Art in Paradise. Now we plan to go to the Coral Island. Plan is to just stay there for an hour and enjoy the beauty. I heard very good blue water. So our cab is here as usual, called Altis. So we probably should reach in 15 minutes. Okay, so we got the ferry costing 30 bahts. We had to actually run in the end to get it. You see here, we're leaving the place now. Should be a very comfortable journey. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes to reach the Coral Island. So instead, if you go through the speedboat, it's cost much more, around 150 to 200 bahts. Though it take less time, but I really think this is much more comfortable. So I think we should reach in 30 minutes, and then by 6 p.m. we should have the last ferry from there, 6 or 6:30. Then we leave back from there. Breeze is amazing, and it's very comfortable. So we are about to reach now. The actual name is Kolan Island, also called as Coral Island. So yeah, I think the ferry took about 35 minutes or so. Not bad for 30 bahts. A lot of mountains we see here in the Kolan. So I think this island is about 2 by 6 or 2 by 4 kilometers long. lot of hotels and everything is also there if you want to stay. We'll see if we need a tuk-tuk or something, to go to the exact beach from this port. Check out this Indian flag as well here. So our tuk-tuk has dropped us here very close to the beach, and there is the beach. I see most of the people renting scooties from here, and I think it's pretty cheap. What? Here we are, the beautiful waters. It just took around 5 to 10 minutes by tuk-tuk. Had we had more time, if for the island, we would have definitely rented this scooty. Almost everyone seems to be doing it. So we've taken off our shoes. We are the only one with shoes here, but we had other plans, so we had to. Such a lovely beach, and I think they have made markings till where we can go for swimming. Probably safe in that area. Lot of water sport they've been asking us. We'll see if we can find some place to sit here, and we'll sit here and relax for some time. I think we only have 1 hour or so because last ferry goes at 6, or else we'll have to take a speedboat. So yeah, just relax. So here we are relaxing at the beach. They give you these chairs where you can sit. They ask us for 50 bahts for each person, which is okay because we got the front one. And the beach in general is very nice, and it's very clean as well. Almost white sand. The weather, it's I think 5 p.m. now. Sun is going down. We'll probably go to water in a few minutes. Still quite hot. And yeah, you can order drinks here. Food, unfortunately, Indian was not available, so we did not. Other than that, food is also there. So you can go in the water. You can just sit here and relax like us. Order some food and have a leisure day here. And there are a lot of water sports here as well. Banana ride, jet ski, sea walk is there, which costed around more than 1,000 bahts. So, and you can take a package as well. So a lot of activities to do if you want to. You can come early in the day and then make use of the day, and for a couple of hours you can do a lot of stuff here. Here we are at the water. The water feels so nice, very cool, and it's very blue as well. Wonderful to say the least. Okay, and then there are a lot of beaches here. This one all fell in water, the banana ride. So yeah, so this beach is called, I think, Tavian Beach. So when you come through tuk-tuk, you land on the port. They ask which beach you want to go, so they are tuk-tuk based on that. Based on that, you choose and take the tuk-tuk. To one, it costed around 20 bahts. And you come here, all the water activities and everything is available here. Food is available here. I think it's a good place to be. And from safety point of view, they have this catchment, this area as well, where you can go and swim. So yeah, pretty good beach. We'll just come in water and enjoy more. We have left. It turns out there were a lot of people very late, so it took around 10-15 minutes. They waited so as people can come back because this is the last boat that comes back today, last ferry. So nice of them, I would say, and such a beautiful sunset from here. We tried to sit in front, too bad. We had another Indian family who was very loud. Not our favorite at all. There's so many people here in the boat, sitting quietly and enjoying. Not these Indians. That looks good, to be honest. Yeah, either way, the views are beautiful. So we are about to reach the shore. Took around 35 minutes or so. And as we reach, you could see the glam of Pattaya here. A lot of cruises, well decorated, I assume. These are party cruises, which happens at night. And on the other side, you see a lot of lightings. I think that is the walking street where we came yesterday as well. When we came during the day, the road was all deserted. And at night it just comes alive in the evening and then goes on till very early in the morning. Sorry? Really great. And we are back. You can see how beautiful the sunset looks at this point. And the very famous signs of Pattaya city. And there's too much rush here. Too much. The place is called the Balihai Bay, and my assumption would be that these people are here for some night cruise. All the flags that you see here are the groups, so as you know, people can recognize their groups and stay there based on the flags. And I really did not expect so many people and so much rush at this hour. But then it is Pattaya. You can expect anything. Okay.